All right, good morning, everyone. Good morning. Here we are. We have our new, actually it was in the garage at school, but we have a new ramp that'll take us up here, make it a little bit easier this time. So that's much easier. This rock one is actually really fun. Really fun to go on this one. But I found that the red one has better treads to it. So we've got that. You can guess where I am, you guys. This is CHIBA Mountain. This is the mountain relay race. Mountain relay race, stop 4. What is that in there, you wonder? Yes. But look at this. We have our red ramp that takes us up to the zip line launching point. This zip line was amazing fun last time, right, you guys? Just amazing. And I'm not going to change it because that was really, really great. I love to change things and make it better every time, but this zip line worked so well that took students all the way down from here we launched off from, all the way down to there. It doesn't look that long, but by the time you get on it, and then ride it to the bottom, it's quite a ride. So let's go check out what's in that box, shall we? I'm going to go down our new ramp here with very nice treads. I had to bring the adventure truck up here just to make the ground more firm because it's the rain is making it quite loose. But isn't this remarkable though, right? We have this entire area here is just amazing. See, I just heard something up there. Perfect time to introduce what's in this cardboard box. So in about 45 minutes, there is a person coming with a very special dog that is going to run the mountain. Starting from probably on the other side of this mountain, we'll run all the way up and all the way down in search of, yes, you guessed it, wild boars. They are around here, and I'm always very safe to stay away and to not go, but we have so much stuff at the top of the mountain that we have to be able to use that we need to make sure that the area is safe. So how do we do that? Well, the dog is one thing, and this is another. I set this up last night, so all the wires are ready to go. This is our electric fence system. Right? Everything's all set. We have the tester later to make sure that the voltage is making its way into the line. This is the actual electric fence line. Right? And then these poles here, I'll be using these poles as well as these pieces here stick into the tree, screw into the tree, and then the wire slips in there. And these will go into the ground also. So up at the top of the mountain is really important. We don't have a lot of trees that I want to use, so we'll use poles in the ground instead. But here we go. By doing this project, it means that we'll be able to use the top of the mountain freely without any worry of, yes, I'll make sure this sign is. But when we're here with students, the power will be turned off just in case. But when I'm not here is when the electric fence will be on. And it's going to be about 35 centimeters off the ground. And it will run the entire, all the way up, all the way back, and then down the easy south path down this way. So it's going to run basically the entire area that we walk all the time. So I'm excited. I'm excited to make all of this work, you guys. It's been a long time in the making, but now it's time to set up the electric fence at CHIBA Mountain. Okay, signing off, you guys. I'll see you soon. It's Tuesday, April 11th today, and I'll see you there. Bye. So we're walking again. No luck so far. Look, Hunter's behind me. Hi. So the Kaikan dog hasn't found anything yet, so we're still looking. Here we are, we're coming up at the south face here, actually. And nothing so far. Well, maybe they decided to move somewhere else. I think there's just one anyway, so maybe he's gone. Anyway, keep looking. Electric fence coming soon. Bye. All right, here we are at the top of the mountain. All right, laid the electric line. You can see it goes all the way down to the campground. And then it comes all the way up here, all the way up here. Those are so convenient. And then along here, as the hunter was saying, want to keep it about 20-25 centimeters off the ground. That's a bit too high, that one. But all right, so it comes along here and goes all the way. Today, I took us just behind the deck at the top of the mountain and then back down. So now we have a completely secured. I'm going to put one pole here, actually. I feel better about that. But then, wow, how neat. This line just goes all the way up, you guys. You can see it there. It goes, I went down the right-hand side there. Okay, back to work. And so the HK GUNMA house is right there where those two lights are. Isn't that neat? So that's the HK GUNMA house up there. And we're going for a walk right now. Hello, Nicholas. Hi, I know, and we found a juice machine. Isn't that neat? Wow, that's really, really predominant lights up there. Those are the security lights that come on at night because we're very, very rarely there. And you can hear those dogs. So the next family tent, not the next one. Come on, Princey. Next, stay close to Dad, right? So the next family tent night, down the line, once I can get Araisan to come, who's very busy, who actually lives in GUNMA. Once Araisan can come to the GUNMA property, he can build a 5 or 6 slot auto camp area on one chunk of our land, which would be really, really cool to have parents come out here, right, Nikki? Yeah. And then we can do the family tent night up at our house, which is, oh, you get a better view here, I think. Yeah, there it is. There it is. The light's right there, Nikki. You see it? Just above that house. There it is. The light's at the very top. So right there. And there's those dogs. Wow, dogs live right there. But the HK property is basically from here all the way over to about here and then all the way back too. So, and then this front section all the way down to here. Kind of like this.